The Aryans, the Nordic Aryans were the creators of Aryan civilization in India. Hindus were called Aryans in the ancient times, and the area where they were densely populated was called Aryavarth. હવે હિન્દુઓને આર્યન્સ કહેવામાં આવતા અને જ્યાં વધારે રહેતા હિન્દુઓ એને આર્યવર્ત કહેવામાં આવતું. As 7 rivers were flowing over there, the region was named as Sapta Sindhu. 7 river જતી એટલે સપ્ત સિંધુ નામ મળ્યું. In ancient time, the first Aryan population was concentrated in northwest. The area of Aryavarth was extended up to Mithila, એટલે કે બિહાર, in the east. In south, it spread up to Vindhyachal during post-Vedic period. એટલે મિથિલા બિહારથી ચાલુ થઈને સાઉથમાં વિંધ્યાચલ. They were more advanced people than any other contemporary tribes. This vast land was recognized with various names as Bharat Bhumi, આ ભૂમિને ભારત ભૂમિ, ભારતખંડ, ભારતવર્ષ. After the name of the king Arya Bharat નામ પરથી આવ્યો છે, or Bharat Kul tribe, ભરતના જે કુલ હતા તેના ટ્રાઇબ છે. ભારત, ભારતખંડ, ભારત ભૂમિ, ભારતવર્ષ. Aryans were nature lovers. They loved and worshipped the trees, the rivers and the mountains, the sun, the wind and the rain. They had composed rhymes, riches for praying to various natural elements. Riches બનાવી છે બધી, એટલે એના પર બધા શ્લોક બનાવ્યા છે. In due courses of time, some religious ceremonies like recitation of Vedas, performing yagna and other activities became prevalent in India. There was a fine amalgamation, a mixture of those tribes with their specific style of living, and harmonious culture was formed, which gave India glorious and prosperous heritage. These foreigner and Indian tribes amalgamated in such a way over a long period of time that they lost their individual identity through intercaste marriages. અંદર મેરેજ થી અને પોતાની ઓરિજિનલ આઇડેન્ટિટી અલગ થઈ ગઈ. Our outsiders and local people were greatly influenced by languages, script, names and religious beliefs, etc. Played a vital role in Indianizing those foreigners. Foreigner क्या થઈ ગયા? Indianize થઈ ગયા, Indian બની ગયા બધા. Since ancient times, a composite culture has been created in India. They all then became Indians. In short, in ancient India, the amalgamation of various culture, mixture of various culture, enriched Indian culture by making it very variegated and prosperous. એવું છે. Prevention and conservation of heritage. Heritage ને આપણે કેવી રીતે પ્રિવેન્ટ કરવાનું છે? અને કન્ઝર્વ બચાવવાનું કેવી રીતે છે. each aspects of Indian heritage made India eye catching. બધા જ એસ્પેક્ટ એવા છે ઇન્ડિયાને કેવું બનાવે છે, eye catching, picturesque અને attractive. eye catching છે, picturesque, પિક્ચર ઇમેજિન કરી શકાય, અને attractive. heritage brought glory to nation. India attained a leading position in the world by keeping its rich heritage protected and preserved. Thus, it is a primary and pious duty of every citizen of India to see that nobody harms the ancient memorials and also to preserve places having historical importance and value. In our constitution, the fundamental duties of Indian citizens are mentioned in Article 51A. In that 6, 7 and 9 describe the following duties for preservation of our cultural heritage. આપણી જે ડ્યુટી છે, ફંડામેન્ટલ ડ્યુટીઝ, આપણે ફંડામેન્ટલ રાઇટ અને ફંડામેન્ટલ ડ્યુટીઝ આપવામાં આવેલી છે 6, 7 અને 9. To understand the importance of our harmonious culture, prosperity and to preserve it, ને સમજવું અને એને બચાવવું, આપણા હેરિટેજ ને, કલ્ચર અને હેરિટેજ ને. Maintain the forest, tanks, rivers, ponds and the wild animals and birds, along with maintaining the natural environment, and to show compassion બતાવવાનું છે for all the living creature, બધા લિવિંગ ક્રિએચર પ્રત્યે દયા ભાવના રાખવાની છે. The protection of public property and giving up violence છોડી દેવાનું, are also included in it. Protection કરવાનું છે public property. Thus, nature has created beautiful landscapes. We should maintain the purity, sanctity and beauty of it. Of these places, considering it to be our moral duty, આ બધું આપણી moral duty છે. The Indian heritage is an outcome of the development of the people of India over a long period of time. Nature has generously donated abundant prosperity to India. India achieved invaluable opportunities in all the fields for gradual development due to India's peculiar natural structure. In this way, the Indian heritage is a result of the development of Indian heritage. Result of the development of the people of India in a social, economical, political and cultural fields over centuries.